guys, it's Kristen, and I was at the We the Animals red carpet at Tribeca Film Festival. This film is a dark story of love and family, adapted from a book by Justin Torres, and I got a chance to speak with actor Raul Castillo about the film. Let's take a look. Can you tell me a little bit about We the Animals and what drew you to this project?
We the Animals is a novel by a writer named Justin Torres that was published, I believe, in 2011. And in the summer of 2016, a group of filmmakers went up to Utica, New York to adapt the story to film. Jeremiah Zagar is our director, and he's a documentarian. He's making his first narrative film with We the Animals. I think we have a great gift in that, because Jeremiah has a sort of a freedom and creativity as a documentarian that brings a lot of a fresh take on this story.
What would you say about kind of the volatile love that goes on in this film? What was that like to kind of portray that?
Well, you know, at the end of the day, it's a story about family and possibly even forgiveness. I think that Justin was trying to understand his own family, his own upbringing, his own youth, and took to this fictional story to kind of work some of those thoughts out. And I think it's, even though the characters, obviously there's quite a bit of abuse and dysfunction that the story is told with a lot of love and through a lens of sort of compassion and understanding that people are complicated, and the people who raised us are complicated, and while these are characters that come from abuse, and I think continue to perpetuate that abuse, that they're all ultimately just trying their best with what it is they have.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
What do you hope people take away from the film?
If we can honor and pay tribute to what I feel the book does as a narrative, then I think we've accomplished something. And I think it's, like I said, it's about trying to understand and forgive transgressions in the past, and ultimately, I think I hope that it allows people to grow deeper in compassion and understanding.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Is there anything that you have coming up that you'd like to share as well?
I have another feature, hopefully dropping this year, called El Chicano, that was written and directed by a guy named Ben Bray. Hernandez Bray, his producer and co-writer on it is a guy named Joe Carnahan, and it's a really exciting Latino superhero story that I don't think we've seen a lot of, and I've been really lucky in the last year to get to work on some really great projects. We the Animals, one of them, and I'm excited about these other projects that are coming around. Yeah.
Absolutely, I love what you said about a Latino superhero in general. Like, this project is also about Latino family, or half Latino family. What do you think about kind of like more representation for Latinos in general in Hollywood and in film and television?
Well, I think that we've gotten to a point where that's absolutely, people, they want it and they need it, and they're demanding it, and luckily there's more stories being told on screen that reflect the world that's more familiar to me, for sure. And I feel like, coming from the theater, I wish the theater would catch up. I feel like television and film are sort of really making great strides and making room for more stories about people of color, and I hope the theater catches up soon.
Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and click that subscribe button for more coverage from Tribeca Film Festival. See ya!